Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. This one are the day 6 of Collins Imudia with Eritio. Eritio don't pray for everybody. We give am support. We give am this help. As una dey see am for here now, the work still dey go. E never finish. Even Collins, wey una dey contact, dey send money to. Even though he don't pray for everybody, thank everybody. We bring this support, this help to our Edo legend, Eritio Sole Sole. Eritio don't use the time. Take Collins round the house. Make una where they send that money, see the work where they go on for your house. As you dey see this place now, you see and say the work they go. So this one a very big thank you to everybody where they support Eritio and where they support Collins Imudia Foundation. So make I leave una with the video. Make una foresee the way the work they go.
I have to thank every one of you. First of all, when we come, we give me Imudia Foundation. While I go make me, no do me, why I make me. When it why we he exposed me to the world. So when he boom at when he succeed, we move and when I don't in a condition here. So
good afternoon, everybody. Yes, I've been getting private calls. A lot of people asking, are you home today? You're not going out? We've been out since 8 a.m. We've been out since 8 a.m. So let's get our people set up to come in. Which I really aside to my gang. So let's get other people in. So please somebody should go to the group, our WhatsApp group, man. Which I really help me go to our WhatsApp group. Oh, you're not there. To tell the people there that I'm live already. Hey, Bonnie. Bonnie Carolina, go to our WhatsApp group and tell them that Collins is live already. Thank you. So let's gather like a church so that I won't miss any episode. I don't want somebody to say I missed it. So more they gather, more let our guys them come in. Them large Pulati and the rest. Una don't try to say before we come. Wow. Carolina, I'm very fine. God bless you. I'm very fine this afternoon. And how are you too? How are you, Carolina? I know by the time everybody sees this tree, they know Collins is at Eritio's house already. Good afternoon, Rita Johnson. Michelle William, bring them come. So once people see this tree, they'll say, don't they Eritio house again? Yes, so we know they do Abaddon project once complete time. Mama, welcome. Lady Nusa, welcome, man. Good afternoon, man. I call you, you know, pick. I know you still asleep. But I'll speak to you later. Me and your younger sister would not gist, so no wala. General Elvis go do work now. So let's all be coming. Good afternoon, all of you. I'm saying all your good afternoon. So let's greet each other first. If you are seeing me, say good afternoon. Okay, they're on their way coming. Okay. Rita Johnson, the pie is doing very fine. I just got here. Bonnie Carolina, thanks. I just got a notification on our WhatsApp group that you're telling them that I'm live. So they will all join us. Good afternoon, Sheila Godwin, better woman. God bless you, man. We see your support will make sense. Pretty Zena, my squad. Good afternoon. They say Eritio cook rice for us. Eritio cook rice for us. Agbesiwa, welcome. Good afternoon, Mama. Lady Siwa. Lady Nusa, good afternoon, ma. Amen. Uchena Willie, God bless you, ma. Your support makes sense. Thank you for this small money you dashed me today. And small money I call her. And small money you dashed me. Okay, another thing we need to do. Most of our people, they may not get notification because not all of them are my friends here. We have about 500, 800 people, and not all of them are my friends. I cannot accept friend requests anymore. So please, let's share. It is share that brings them in. You understand? So please, let's share it. And now what happened? So turn up my air conditioner. This thing. The breaker. Now that erosion will pass just now. Now breaker. Check out. Mechanic don't do this area. I may not try to go fuck up. So I hold my car don't go break. The road rain fall here yesterday. The water too full the road. Almost pass them. Almost pass them. I may be late Nelson that brother. You do that one? Yeah? The break. What be that one? What if I hang on? If I hang on, I may not go pull for express. Well, I may find something to take time in general. My car don't go break down. Something don't go break for one day now. Voila. I will go to the worker now. We'll fix them. But me not see what they talk. I will not be tired. So let's keep sharing and let them come in so that we can know. We don't want to put new for ground. So that we can know. Can he break? Na thyroid. Na thyroid. Na thyroid. No, no be see what at all. Na thyroid. Thyroid your break. That means if we come here today, we'll go again. And I get work out today. Con Smith, welcome. I think I go break completely for the center and I go feel separate. But come look on. Never the bush in there, just break. Not be see at all. Just look and near the bush in there.
You see?
Okay. And the suspension thyroid.
Thyroid now.
No affect them. Don't worry. Only this one now. Only what you gonna do now? You gonna make the shock to die. But you get arm or on the home. Now they make how they bounce right. You know what they make baga.
Okay. I'll go fix them. So please share. Solomon Sagi, welcome. Make una dey share now. If we not bring all our people in, I don't want to repeat myself now. Then later I'll come and be showing around again. I don't want to go around at all. You get so see my car don't get problem now. My car don't get wahala. So they come here now, it don't break down. The thyroid don't break. So tomorrow if you know you come outside, maybe we'll go mechanic workshop. We'll have work to do. That's the funniest part you get. Please share, everybody share, so that we'll get to know that okay, we're live. Please share. Hey, pardon, sir. Domo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. So I'm already here with Eritio, as you can see.
Yes, come back. Come to Ajodong.
You understand? So we're here with the power already. We just got here.
Hello. I want to see. I have to thank every one of you. First of all, when we come, Imudia Foundation. While I was going to make me, no do me, why I make me. He exposed me to the world. So when you boom at when you say, we move and when I don't in a condition here, so I want to buy while I was allowed, now I would do
So you heard that from our legend already, you know. So I'm seeing all your messages. Eritio says we should eat first before we do live video. So let's start by eating. I wanted to carry you along, but let me show you a brief. When I'm moving my house about you, we get a lot of food here today. So we told you about the PVC. As you can see, we've laid it in the parlor. You get. So we showed you here yesterday in the parlor that we're going to lay PVC. We've been working since morning, and the PVC have been laid. You see how beautiful it is. You see how beautiful it is. You understand? I'm going to remove that chair and those drums. I'm going to show them the tiles. Remove the drum. They called me on my way that they didn't get more. We went to buy again so we can complete the room. two bundles. The carpenters are working, as you can see. The guys that are laying. Yeah, here, so we have not laid here now, the living room. That's what they are working on now. So before we leave here, they'll be done. They are very fast. That's why I like them. You get. So God bless you. And I want to give much kudos to my brother, my friend. Let me see if he told me not to mention his name. No, he didn't tell me I must mention your name. But give me my diary. Give me my diary. You know, so see the beautiful PVC now. So beautiful. Wallahi. In fact, me, I was impressed getting here. Yeah, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. You get, so we get style. So we go for classic things. We know they do halfway. You get. Osas, I never want to answer you. Your food matter never refer with. You get, so let me get my diary. I think I'll get my diary myself. Where's my diary? I remember now. Yes. So as you can see, please share this video. Share. We've paid for the windows at the back, though we'll show you that one later. So the PVC has been laid in the parlor, as beautiful as it is. God bless my brother. Nicola Funa help me pray for him. You know they do Facebook. Now YouTube for the see us every day. Mr. Osarabo Obaso in UK. God bless you, bro. You said you want to support Collins Imudia Foundation. You said so you want to take charge of the tiles in the parlor. Like play, you transfer money to me yesterday. Ladies and gentlemen, behold the tiles. About 29 packets. These tiles go along with the PVC. So they are all stacked here. They are all stacked here. Very beautiful tile. You understand? Very beautiful tile. You see how beautiful it is? So these tiles you see here, yeah, these tiles will be laid on the floor. By the time they lay these tiles on the floor now, it will correlate with the roof. You see how we get style? You see, we get style. God bless you, my brother. Mr. Osarabo Obaso from UK. God bless you, bro, for transferring to my account yesterday. Say, how much is the tiles? How much is this? Let me go and buy it. Let me send it to you. You trusted us. God bless you. Collins Imudia Foundation is saying thank you. God bless you. Let me show you the blocks we molded. Yeah, we were able to mold all these blocks yesterday. I think about 300 blocks, which will be used to set up the soccer way. You get, as you can see, for transparency's sake, these are the blocks we molded. You get about 300 blocks. You know, we still have sand here. Hopefully, this will be enough for us to use to plaster. I hope it will be. If it is not, we will still buy. God bless all of you supporting us. We are here. We know they go anywhere. We must complete our project and we go bounce. God bless you all your 20,000. I can't mention all your names. Your names are too much for me. God bless all of you. All the 5,000, all the 10,000, all the 3,000. You know, God bless all of you. No problem, sir. You understand? So we told you yesterday that we're going to be digging soccer away. You know, so that the toilet can be linked into it. Behold the guy working already. Very hard-working guy. Well done. I get contract for you, Seth. One of my Facebook follower called me yesterday after I don't end live video. He said, I beg you won't give me the contract. I go set up their own soccer away. But they don't dig them down. I said, okay, I'll carry my guy. Me, I go do him. So now you are the use. Steady. Well done. They don't give you food. Do I finish? You still need food? Come. I did here today. Yeah? Continue. Yes, sir. So that's the process. As you can see, he's digging the soccer away already. You get. So thank you all for the roof we were able to do here. Thank you. Thank you for assisting Collins Imudia Foundation. Help you. You know, thank you. The toilet we talked about has been installed and will be directed to that soccer where you're drawing there. Our next point of contact now is how to make this betting room quite conducive. For the windows, we bought windows. God bless my sister. You sent money to us yesterday. I don't want to mention your name, except you permit me to. We're giving them money. They've measured the windows. I think about 6 windows. I mean 8. 8 windows. So all year you see are going to have slide windows. So by the time they still put it, we will still come and show you. We will still come and show you that, oh, they've done it. You get. So that's it for you. Thank God we've been able to do the roofing, as you can see. You know, it's just the windows, and it's been paid for as we stand. So thank you for your support. See? So when it's raining now from outside, it will come down this way instead of going back. Yeah, so. Okay, Eritio is here with me. Eritio said I should go and eat first. So we've been in the market since, for the purpose of those that wants to know, that year at Opawa, we've gone to buy her foodstuffs. Collins Imudia Foundation resolved, after critical look at the situation on ground, we resolved to buying foodstuff so that we don't cause trouble in that family. So subsequent helps that will be coming will be doing justice to it. You know, as you can see, we bought a bag of beans for our family. We bought rice for that family. See, I think this is Gary. I don't know what this is. Pepper. You know, we have oil. For that family, we have Ororo. Granite oil. Beans. We have this is melon. This is melon. You know, say it here. This is melon. Ogi.
We have cloth.
Then our sister sent us money to go and buy cloth for Ipa. And Ipa do said she sent me money. She said I should buy. Where's that my diary? I'll mention your name. Let me not forget. A lot of people are promising. My brother from Japan, he promised Ipa 10K monthly. That Ipa at Opa. God bless you, bro. He said I should not mention your name. No Allah. You know. What's her name? All of you support Mommy Joe, all of them are the same support. I don't want to shout on her name. You get. Lady Doris, thank you, ma. You're the one that sent us money for that windows. God bless you. You get. So all of you, your names are too numerous for me to mention. You understand? Mama Africa, now you say that contract or that guy, I never forget. You know, I remember just now the Owenaze, Payaleku's daughter. Thank you. We got your response. God bless you. Pamela. Who bought this shirt for a part today? I remember. My sister from Russia. Don't know if you are watching me now or anytime you watch me later on YouTube. Anytime you watch me later on YouTube, just get to know that Collins Imudia Foundation appreciates you. You know, my sister from Russia, after watching yesterday's episode with that Baba, sent me money. Said I should go and buy lace and sew for the man. So we bought the lace. You get, this is the lace. Huh? He told me we should buy 6 years material for Ipa in 2 different types. This is 6 yards. And this is the second 6 yards. You get. Funny enough, we knew if we go and be giving Oleda Ipa, the EA will be very angry. Discretionally, Collins Imudia Foundation decided to buy EA her own 6 yards. And another 6 yards to match the same color with Ipa's own. So that her mind will still come down small, you don't understand? So her own 6 yards. So Ipa has 6 yards, EA has 6 yards. Discretionally, Collins Imudia Foundation decided to do that so that there will be no need for them to be quarreling in that house that they give Ipa. So though we have stipend for Ipa, we give him to hold on to. We give Ipa a little money to hold on to. So in case you want to buy 1 or 2 things, you understand? We also give to the EA. The EA to give us stipend too. We give Ipa like 10K to hold, we give EA like 5K. so that they will put in their pocket and be managing while we give them all these food materials. So being in the market is money, and you know they've locked market in Edo State. So it's not really easy going to get food items. But trust me, we have to go through all the nooks and crannies of town to be able to get this food stuff because they are essential commodities. They are needed. So that's how far I've gone. For the purpose of those that will come late, you don't miss this first section. So Eritio has got us food we have to eat. Yo, Domosa, I take cold water water. That's what we have here. Wow, wow. Yeah, we kill a hero. Wow, here. For the purpose of those that have not eaten the here for a long time, that's why Eritio gave us to eat food with.
Exactly. A traditional food.
Okay, so I swim right now. So it's a great privilege. It's a great privilege for Collins Imudia Foundation to be eating in the same plate with Eritio Sule Sule. It's a great privilege. We appreciate God for this privilege. God bless all of you. I'm seeing your comments. All your prayers for us we get to us. God bless you. Now all of you are doing. Even all you that sent it, we won't be able to achieve what we're achieving. So God bless you. Until you that sent us money yesterday for a past 2 months treatment. If I transferred it to you, I'll be not transferred.
You don't give me.
When I got home yesterday, I called the power back and I transferred it to his account. For the purpose of transparency. Enjoyment real. Rita Johnson, our brother Danny Yaji is helping us now. We are using his own temporarily. So just click Danny Yaji, you will see us.
I'm more than happy. More than over happy.
I will say so.
No, now I remember when you go back.
Yes, I got you travel the soccer wheel.
No, I think it will. If you cut it, the one if you cut it, I can't eat it. Tomorrow again, once I should go down, you come tired. You jump out there.
You are calling us and we are eating. We cannot pick your call. Sorry. Hello, bro. Hey, bro. Yeah, they live video. They call me. Come join us. Come join us. No verse, I beg. Again, I'm a rule. Okay. Oh, give me a meal. Yeah. Look, bro, give my woman, sir. Give my woman, bros. Go and walk boy, you WhatsApp in right now. This is also person. I said wants to put pens, so they are finished making a meal. And who walk boy, this is so person. They said we give you pens. Almost. Okay, pa. You call me a rebel, are you? The money pa not too. We are the pens.
You the pens.
Where one?
I'm on no more.
We are up.
Call me, man. We say.
Unstoppable thing now. Now what gonna give me now do? I think we not here. What your guy never say to do? Who says at all? You say I be wicked person. So.
I think you are seeing me.
I'm seeing you live.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. I'm not vex. Too sweet. Yeah.
And then why we were queer and I don't do film.
You have him ball. Come on, you worry mad.
What only you?
Chris. You thought they give I leave you. No boy. What I'm going to be a real. Many see you are when it's a crew. What are you? No boy. Mother. I don't chop me on.
I want to chop now. You chop. I have to chop you half on it.
All the egg over there, eat all. Eat all the egg.
Why they follow you the dragon?
Not cry out.
Later, you want to feel your man, but then I'm going to drink him. Okay, dragon.
I will put rice for them. Put rice for them.
Why?
I don't want to disturb. Diamond Jasper, good afternoon from here, man.
You like them, Jack? You would go down.
You be very here. Since then, see me say I eat all those fish. I know this one they eat. It you do well for our body. Now give us full crew.
I don't think Russia alone. I don't think Russia.
Thank you for supporting us. If not, we support us for not reaching the interest today. Now you see, pressure I will para and food matter with you. Why you gile and warofu?
Would you?
Bawaruwe. Femi Pat, good afternoon. When you go get down. Even if we don't finish our work, even if we finish our work, we'll come to greet you because of this food or this kind of food. We don't finish work here, we don't do through 32. We'll come here to hide and eat. I'll come. I'll come.
We'll come.
I'm eating for you people. But give me one cool water. What the gill and I have him. You're them. I want a little boy. Oh, they're now. Oh, give me water, I wash my hand.
Don't frequent again.
No, rich.
I beg, get water to wash hand. Okay. No, don't get water.
Why? What you put water?
Don't water.
How about that in your hands? So give wolf money.
I think you want water.
No, put for me. Thank God for lunch. Yeah. If you are watching me from anywhere in the world and you are an non-wine Kada, you are watching me from anywhere in the world and a non-wine Kada. So, let's get back to business, or let's relax a bit, you know. You share our video, just share. I'm one person. I know you're the keeper. I'm going to take this car. I don't wash myself. Thank you. Get up on them for the other guy. This food you enter my body. I'm on Jasper. Now I'm thanking you and give us food.
Why so much savvy I do? I'm going to me.
So, you know, so we're still here, but I'll take you around. Let's share so that I people come in, please. Let's share. Diamond Jasper, share. What's that they mention on her name? Is there maybe and share? Claudia Adams, share. Keke Greg, welcome. Share.
But not the dog yet.
Dog. Oh. No.
Okay, pardon like
Ivy, share. I know those never shall mention. Ashley Peter, share. Iradia Freedom, share. Don't watch alone, just share. You want a share? Marvin Khalifa, share. Engineer Wilson, we don't share. I trust that one. Chris Iden, former PDP youth leader. What too? Share my video, bad guy. KMS Motors, I cite you. Federal government say na free light for 2 months. NEPA, one of the goers, we know they pay NEPA bill. 2 months, all work back. After 2 months, we can't pay NEPA bill. Yeah? Which you? Yes. I beat you. Yeah. We share everybody, it's our job. All of them must share. Unstoppable thing, and now you they will share. You will not share, so you enter your share. Because you're a family member. You're not calling Mudia family member. In fact, all of them are calling Mudia family member. I would not sell so far, don't go rich. Oh man, get up, call him. I will support him and send him to get the man. Maria by way at me. I will need time why and we will pay a liquid.
In my village,
When I
say, here was you know, by
Yari number and make it.
Yes,
I didn't make it.
Oh, tell me, no.
What am I? What am I?
When I say back to Gualo, back in the now you know by my mom.
Yes, sir. And who again tell me? What biggest? Thank you. Biggest one.
You know what this is.
When I say who again? Oh, we got back here Tracy. It's been a year. Away, the EPA gave her 10,000 naira about 10 years ago. We now we man go at all. Tracy at here. We are not to level so we are there. We not the 10,000 here. I was sending my own day. I be not say when my in my year they 20,000 no, they 10,000 no. All them now I think the PVC baba PVC no okay. I waited till you give me 10,000 naira about 10 years ago. Spain or you know. I go call him. I was like, please call me later so that I can text your number to reach you, so that you can be reaching him. You know. Adaeki, welcome. God bless all of you. All of you now waiting. I don't mention her name. I know they mention her. Those very Juliet, I said I don't send the card waiting myself to that person.
Cost wahala. If you go to a place now, see you won't cut like.
I don't add the 10k join that food. We go give that here for power. I don't buy the food, sir. Thank you for the 10k where you dash me. You say you dash me 10k. I give that my good 10k. And when you had the food, when you said Juliet, I said I should add 10k to the money to buy food for that woman. Because they buy things to cost of market. Hey, please.
Let me know.
On live video here.
I lost my senior son, my senior doctor in India. 41 years old lady. Nadia Wu.
So, God bless you. If I forget to mention you, I remember. I don't forget to. When I say near your man or call me when I say please call me later so that I can send you number to you. And what's his name? My brother, my friend. What's his name? My brother, my friend. Osaze Akionbari, one of Japan. Thank you. Get your support. God bless you. It's well received. Osaze, one of Japan. God bless you. God bless you, bro. So we're promoting our business, so you don't worry. If you want to buy Japanese boss, they carry load. Rich Collins Imudia will link you with Osaze Akionbari. Now in job, that one, a boss the ship called Nigeria from Japan, steady. You know, so Adaeki, you see where they share your cosmetics, where they sell the bag and shoes. Now, so see, they support us, they support your own business to grow. We share them. A lot of people come to my wall daily. Somebody will see and go say, I like this bag, they'll contact you. So Osaze Akionbari, all the way from Japan, my squad. Thank you, bro. Ozer, I appreciate you. World biggest, I salute you too. World biggest one. The whole world, only one biggest day. God bless you.
World biggest.
What of truck? I don't know if Osaze Akionbari they do truck, but they tell me of buses, all these Japan buses. Now they push come from Japan. Come they sell. I think about 50 don't land Lagos. 50. So recently, he never come. He still in Japan, but he will come in 2 months' time to come. But the sales are ongoing. The same goes to my brother Kada, one of Madrid. Now cars to and clothes in the sale. So I be able to patronize these people, you know. All of you where they support us. Once we get to know what you are doing as a trade, we come here, we announce it to the world. A lot of people are watching us in YouTube across the world. They'll patronize you. Because they know we are very transparent. So anybody who are referring for them is a transparent person. You get, so God bless you for supporting our foundation across the world. You get, so but let's go to today's business. You know, I don't want to forget his name again. Bribey man, thanks. I see your brother. Yeah, this one, man. You get, so let me take you around for you to see what we're doing. You know, we model block, I'll come and show you. Bye. So we bought additional 2 packs of PVC. I told you yesterday we'll lay PVC. Behold the PVC. Agbesiwa, thank you for patronizing Adaeki. Adaeki, please send your link to Agbesiwa. She'll patronize you. She's a good lady. Behold the PVC, it's been laid. You understand? And then the one for the room, as you can see, we're still working here. We're laying it gradually. The one for the room here, you see? So we will be done. Thanks to you all who contributed to make this happen. God bless you. We are giving Eritio a befitting place to stay. We'll come and plaster all this wall. We'll plaster all. We'll put the door where they there. God bless my brother Kada, one of Madrid. He told us whether we need to. I said yes. You sent us this door. God bless you, Mr. Obasowan Osarabo from UK, my brother, my friend. You sent me money last night. You said, Collins, go and buy the tires I promised to buy because of you. Yeah. We bought the tires. We bought 29 cartons and a piece. 29 cartons and a piece was what went for about, I think, 47 meters for the tires. See, the tiles go with the PVC. So that by the time you enter a power room, you know, say if I get style. So we bought it. Complete 29 cartons. See? So we're here. The process is ongoing. You know, we still need cement, though. We have cement. Hello. Good afternoon, man. Are they live video now, man? Yes, man. I don't see them. Are they live video? Mama, come live video. Okay, hey, I'll call you back, man. Yeah. Thank you and you, all of you. Mr. Obasowan Orobosa, God bless you. My brother, my friend from UK. You don't know me before. Mr. Obasowan Orobosa doesn't know me before. You just saw our work on Facebook and on YouTube and you got pleased. And the next thing you just told me, Collins, I'd like to partner with you. God bless you for sending us money to buy these tires for you too. God bless you for trusting us with your resources. I'm glad we didn't fail you. And this is the one piece. It's 29 cartons and one piece that we bought. You know, see the one piece. This is the only one piece to make it complete. So very soon, this ground you see will be tiled. You understand? We'll put tiles here. You get, and then the carpenters are still working as it stands. We are still laying PVC. So we'll complete it today. You get? So we still need other things. We need cement here so that we can plaster this place. Thank you, my brother, my friend. He said I shouldn't mention your name. He said when we finish plastering, we should let you know that you buy paints. God bless you, bro. I know you're watching me now. Thank you. He said I should not mention your name. I won't. But Collins Imudia Foundation said thank you for willing to buy paint for us to paint this whole parlor and the room. God bless you. Eritio will have a very befitting place to stay. You understand? Thanks to the people who donated for the PVCs, you know, for the whole work we're doing. You know, Mr. Robosa, the tiles. But thank you, Kada one for the door. Thanks. All of you donating money to say let's continue. God bless you. As using your money judiciously, you'll be seeing what they're using your money for. Not say what they tell you. I'm still working. I've got 2 carpenters working today. 2. You get. And then thank you, Agbesiwa, for this beautiful door. You see, the door is going with the tie and the what's it called? The PVC. So hopefully by the time we get money for curtains, but the curtains will also follow this door. Thank you, Agbesiwa, for this door. Thank you for trusting us with your money. God bless you. You know, the window have been arranged. And then where's my diary? I think I do on top there, my hanky. You know, I'll take you around to see the blocks we've molded. Yesterday we told you that we're going to mold blocks so that we can use to set up the soccer wheel. So if you instead of him going to the bush to toilet, they should now be comfortably passing out excreta in his house. That's why we roofed that back. I'll take you there too. Yeah, so we've been able to mold 300 blocks as at yesterday. It's getting dried by the day. Please share our video. Let's not be selfish. Let's allow people to see what we're doing, the whole world. We still got a little sand here, which we'll manage to use to plaster. If it's not enough, we'll buy, hopefully. Those are the blocks. You get, and then the foundation, the soccer way is being dug. As I'm talking to you now, the guys there working. You get, the guys working. The guy is working, so we'll take you there now, so you get to see his work that he's doing. You know, we appreciate all of you for all you are doing, all of you. I say, not mention our name, I don't mention her. Yeah, Madam Doris, thank you for the money you sent, 40K for the windows. That window, we've contracted the guy that will do it. we appeal to him to do 5K for us for one. So the 8 windows will be the 40K. We are good to go. The soccer away guys have gone. See, it's still working. The guy don't try to do. Don't go far. How many feet you don't go like this now? You got the 5. I want to make a 6 today. Then tomorrow another 6. Now 10 feet. Okay. No worry. Well done. As I tell you, I get contract for you. That contract, I'm not even done. So thank you. We've been able to seal up this place, as you can see. So if a pipe is coming out from his room now, backyard, it's still covered. Rain or bitter again. You know. So the essence of having this toilet is for us to stop a path. Please don't call into my live video now. This bush part, we want the part to stop going there for excreta. We want him to be using his comfortable toilets to get. So, but for that's for the soccer. We will maintain here, hopefully. Hello. Good afternoon. Evelyn Ine, okay. Yes, man, but I'm on live video now, man. Can you call me back in another 4 hours then? God bless you, man. You know, so like I said, Lady D, God bless you, Lady Doris. You sent us 40K. Said when we said we wanted to fix window here, you just took it upon yourself to say, I'll send you 40K. God bless you, we got it. So they've taken the measurement just now. There are 8. There are 8 windows. We're going to seal all. We're sealing them all up. Engineer Yosa, you will be engineer, you can't overtrust me. You do well. You do well. I appreciate. For you to say you won't trust me, God bless you. For those of you trusting us, God bless you. We will show you all what your money is yielding. You know the type of situation I do. Give me cigar. Okay, give me my own. It's fair for you. Okay. So that's the job is still ongoing. As you can see, they are still digging. We do here. So hopefully, we are still hoping for a door. So if you have a good mind to say you want to give us a door here, God bless you. This place, we need a door here. So that we'll close this gap once and for all. We need a door here. Mono no care the power, already they arrange them. Mono no care them. We already they clothe the man, we already they gather, they cover the man, please. Mono expose them again, we just try, finish them. Me this and here pass it, I want to suck away. Here, you not think of the the what's it called, the rod, the pipe we buy. We bought 2 pipes.
This place low, and erosion we gather here. It will kill the soccer away.
Erosion they gather here. Okay, see, this place now from here where the toilet come out. Yeah, here.
Shamba will do this place. I soccer will be here before. Now erosion killer.
Okay. Chamba, one chamba feed this somewhere here.
Now 3 shamba will do this place.
From here,
so
that pipe will reach that place.
They'll buy Jonah. At least 2.
You tell us so that we all know done.
The pipe no reach. We'll buy pipe Jonah.
We'll buy 2 pipes, Jonah.
Yes. But the soccer we go carry across the beam for the center.
So tell me you do for me. Go bring 1 pipe, come from that room now.
Okay,
We'll measure up.
We'll measure and down, I know. So we're practicalizing everything. We're not assuming. No, I don't assume. I practicalize. I get to know what I want to do tomorrow. So as I'm getting support from all of you, trust me, I'd know once I wake up, guy, we need to move. We want to go buy pipe. We want to do this one. You know, all the support coming in for this purpose. We'll be using them. On Saturday, I've been dedicated to Lady Nusa's younger sister. God bless you, man. We spoke this morning. God bless you. Lady Nusa, God bless you for the link. God bless you, man. Your sister sent us money. She sent us 250K to go and buy food materials and share. Very transparent woman. God bless her. We've received the credit. We've transferred to the person that want to keep beans for us because they locked down Lagos Street for the next 1 week. So nobody's selling things there. But we're able to send to somebody. You know, to say, I'll help us go by, keep them, you know. God bless you.
Yeah, no.
Understand? I beg, show me my scene.
Try again. Wait, video wrong.
You get, so I can, you know, do the needful. So we get to trace this. I can't move your hand. I see. Okay, from there, 1. 2. 3. 3. We got 2 already. There are 3 now. Don't they say half? Okay, we'll buy 2 more. Okay. Number more, take note. We'll buy 2 more of this rubber so that we can go. Oh, voilà, bro, keep them back. Now, well done. This is your guy will help you. You're not giving food.
We don't eat.
So, until you get bank account. Now I want transfer put to. Oh, I'll transfer for every account and you'll give you now. Now get. Now I'll transfer put. After giving an advance today, I'll give you like 10K today. So tomorrow, once I complete the whole thing, I'll give you the balance. So work is still ongoing here. We'll be needing a door here. We'll be needing a door here. Please, let's do the needful. Let's assist. So we have to arrange that Eritiyo's betting room too. Eritiyo's betting room. We have to cement that floor. We have to plaster it. So let's leave these guys. Let's see how far the carpenters are going in there. Let's see how far the carpenters are going in there. Let me even pass by their passage. Hey, live there, my friend. Excuse me. Excuse me. So work is still ongoing, like I told you. The diggers, they try, not be lie, they try. Now their work they do. So we're almost done with the PVC laying. See? Just remaining that small one, and we're done here. PVC for the room and the parlor. God bless all of you for your contributions. You see what we're using it for. God bless you all for the tiles. Mr. Robosa Obaso, and God bless you from United Kingdom. You sent us money last night to buy these tiles. We bought 29 cartons. And I think we have it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And 1 single. That's what we take this parlor. So we bought 29 packets and 1 single. This beautiful tile goes with this PVC. Alongside this beautiful door, as sponsored by IBCY. God bless you, man. All of you donating, see what your money. You are the one that roofed Eritiyo's house. All of you. You get all of you are the reason why we're able to mold those blocks. I'm going to use them for the soccer way setting and the sands. God bless you, Madam Adesua, for the 3 bags of cement you sent us money for. We appreciate you, man, so much. You know, God bless you. For all of you sending your materials whatsoever, we thank you. We appreciate you. We're still with Eritiyo, so let's do. We've not left him. So I just wanted to show you around so you get to see what we're doing.
Yes, thank you very much.
So that's the page we are in. So let's have a little gist. Let me see what you all have been contributing. Large puller team. My brother. Collins Imudia Foundation. God bless you, sir.
Okay.
Tracy Sonia, welcome. So that's been the process. God bless all of you. All of you. You are the ones doing this, not me. I'm just a messenger. I'm just a tool person. You all are the ones doing it. So I appreciate all of you big time. When we leave here, I want to carry the carpenters. That's why I'm waiting. They're almost done. I'm leaving here soon to that Upper Owa, where we have those our old parental comedians. You know, they are always making me laugh each time I reach there. So I'm already laughing in anticipation. I know by the time I get there, I'll start laughing. But I hope they are at peace before our arrival. We bought all their food items already. I'll take you around again. For the purpose of those who came in late, please share. Please share. Please share, please. You know, so as you can see, we've got the whole food stuff. Let me change the camera. We've got food stuff. We've got beans here. We've got rice at the back. You know, we've got gari. We've got granite oil. We've got red oil. We've got egusi. Egusi. Very many. We bought egusi, you know, and then we bought wrappers. We bought wrappers. I'll show you because my sister sent us money to buy wrapper. She sent us money to buy wrapper. I'll just show you. She sent us money to buy clothes. She said I should buy 2 60 yards materials for a part of power and 1 lace. My sister from Russia, Omo, God bless you. You sent us money yesterday, 21K. You get. You said we should buy 2 wrapper. We should buy 1 lace. Behold the lace. Though not be all your 21,000 we use. It was lesser, but we buy 4 for it, so no vest. You know, this is the lace. You get, so that's the lace for a par. And then this is the 6-yard material we bought. And the other 6-yard material for a par at Upper. God bless you. My sister Omo from Russia, God bless you. T-Baby, God bless you for your support. God bless you for more stuff. But discretionally, we knew if we had given only this to Ipa to cause trouble more in that house because we know where we went to yesterday. So we used our initiative. We now bought additional 6 yards for the wife so that they will not be jealous that Ipa is the only one getting benefit. And then we bought another 6 yards again like this for the wife too. They are of the same color, the same grade. So these whole things will be delivered shortly to the family at Opawa. You will see us delivering it just now. So for the purpose of transparency, I'm carrying you all along. God bless you. All those food items you see there, all the support you all give is what we're doing justice to there. So God bless you. God won't stop blessing you. World biggest one. God bless you. My brother, my friend, Akinombari Osaze, one of Japan. God bless you. The type of people will patronize you or patronize all you are doing, you know. All you are doing. I know see you into cars exportation. God bless you. Like into access. Let us know if you want us to support your business, our work. All of them are coming to a major contractor. I get like 3 projects right here. Off camera. The other sister tell me say I go their house and go do soccer away for their house. The other mama say I go roof her house. I go roof her house. God bless all of you for trusting me. God bless you. Hello. Fine, thank you. Kubaoka what?
Hello.
Amen, sir. God bless you.
Hey, Mary. God
bless you, sir. God bless you. Yes, God bless you. God bless you. What's your name, sir? Okay, what's your name, sir? Okay. Okay, alright, sir. God bless you.
Exactly.
Mr. Nosai Binigi, God bless you. We just got a call from Spain. Nusa Igbinigi, aka Obaoka. God bless you. You said you will support that back door that I wanted us to buy with 10,000 naira now. You said no now, do that before weekend. You get to us. We appreciate in anticipation. For you to don't get mindset before weekend, you will send 10K. We'll add to it so that we can buy that door. God bless you, sir. More donations will be coming and we'll add to it and buy that door at that time, so that we know we have covered Eritio's house once and for all. They can lock the outside and lock the back. You understand? Not to lock only outside, can't leave that back. Come like
250,000.
No make sense. You get so. God bless you all. God bless you all for your steady support across the globe. You watching us on YouTube, on WhatsApp, Facebook. God bless you. God bless you.
You know, by now calling me, I'm a massive. You
understand? So, if forgetting, we'll be doing. You get Collins Mudia is here to do.
WhatsApp number.
First, Bonzikilo, welcome, bro. Share, as you enter, share. Saturday, Sunday, share. Hello, man. Dennis Beckham, God bless you too, bro. I see all your prayers. I'm seeing all your comments. Favor is. It's true. It's true, but we don't want to go there so that we don't open good news. I'm getting calls from people. Hello.
And most of them.
God bless you, sir. Don't worry.
Alright.
I hear you, sir.
Well, where do you know by going? Alright, come here.
Okay, you don't share. I think I lost that caller. Yes, sir. Okay, walk up, call him a banner. Okay, you know what's up? I'm on live video now, sir. Where's this, sir? God bless you. Okay, all right, bro. All right, bro. God bless you. That's the caller that promised to support 10,000 naira now for that back door. Please, Mega Prenat, welcome, man. Just tomorrow, welcome, man. All my squad, no, they come on one. Welcome, man. Obaze Osande, welcome. God bless you. Kelvin, I'm getting your message. Thank you for the support, you know. So that brother just called now to say before Friday they will come and give us 10,000 naira. So we can add to it and buy that door. You understand? So God bless you. As you're supporting him, we'll be doing the needful. Mom Stone, thank you. I see your comments. Thank you, man. Favor is, God bless you. I need people to understand one thing about Collins Media Foundation. It's not about money all alone. Do you get? If you share, it will make sense. Once you share it now, it will make sense. You understand? It will make sense. It's not everybody that has money. A lot of you are home, abroad, because of this stay-at-home policy. And you are not working. You're only relying on what government will give you at the end of the month as promised by your responsible government. You are looking at us every day, wishing We Saturday go work now for the 6 months time, but just support these people since God will bless you. We love you. We understand with you. We are not putting you under pressure. You get? We're not putting you under pressure. We understand that you have the heart to give. When the time is right, you will. God bless you. Don Robert Okoro, my squad, my brother, my friend, welcome, bro. Theo sticker. I'll pin our account number now on the comment section, so that if you want to support us, you can just support us. Our account number will be pinned to the comment section. You get? So our account number has just been sent to the comment section. You get? So you can always support us. It has been pinned to this live video, so you can see our account number there. Please share this video. It won't cost you much to share. Please don't call us now. We're on live video with the number there. The number you see there, it's on live video. Hello. I greet you. Let me greet you pass. No, I put them for that truck since now. They don't come on since. If I drive past, I'll stop by the place so that I'll feel transfer advance for you. I'll get on tomorrow. Friday evening, Saturday I know fit come out. Saturday I gave one major work I want to do, so I know fit come this area. Okay, but no problem. Maybe if I do one now. When I go fit some without me, say okay, yes. Once you don't fit some, everything will call me. Then I'll transfer the balance to you. All right, bro. Too much. Yeah, chill. You guys, so that's the window guy. Osarume edit. You say I will send the balance, bros. God bless you. Our account number is on the display section. Just send it. You understand? So that we can buy that door at the back. The guy for the window will pay him just now on my way. We'll give him advance. You get? So they've taken the measurement of the 8 windows. We'll give them advance just now. Then by Friday, they called me now that on Friday they'll come and install it and close all the slide of the windows around the house. You get? So by then everything will come into saying I'll then transfer the balance to him, because by Saturday I'm going to do food distribution to the people. As sponsored by Lady Nosa's younger sister from UK. God bless you, man. You say I should not go anywhere on Saturday except sharing of food. You want to sponsor it? Only you. Where don't? Only you. So God bless you. The unity of prayer will reach all of you. Yeah, where do you?
Sister call.
Lady Nosa, Eritio is thanking your sister.
Thank you. God bless you. Ekponuke di regi di o, ma go be dun.
Where do no?
Emi give away ye.
So.
Emi logo ya ga lo ya ru po ba wo po si wona. Ya mi go buy.
So.
Mo ma ya kan we.
So.
Oda kan lage.
So.
Pomo saba no de ba we.
So that prayer will get to all of you who is sponsoring this process. The Dinosaur prayer is going to your family for taking charge of Saturday. God bless you. Single-handed. Bow people now. Okay, man, you are here now. Okay, they carry pure water reach you. So as we are getting your credit, we will tell you. Please, if you are sending anything to us or you just sent it, please just write us that I have just sent this. We just say, okay, we'll check for verification. God bless you. We'll keep up with you. If you send anything to us, just write us. We'll just send this to you. And I'll just sit and thank you. God bless you. I want to thank so much my brother, my school, Saze Akionbari, one of the food Japan. God bless you. I'll give accolade to my brother Bennett from Houston, Texas. Thank you. The 3 baseball cap you promised me. I know say I was Houston. You say you want to do some shirts like this for us too from Houston, Texas. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you. Lady Nosanua Anirumba, Nuna Anirumba. You know, tell me I sponsor Saturday food. Away pa domo. Away pa lani.
Call me, man.
Lani yantu.
Oh, egbe no win be ko. Oh yo.
Yes.
Egbe ni mo se.
Lady Nosa.
Lady Nosa o mo hin.
Osarabo.
Oh, call me, man. No masa ka weba.
Iseo.
Waya we se o.
So.
Waya we you bore o.
Iseo. Yes, so mega penat don't chop. God bless all of you now. If I don't give us rice, you see the rice and but you pay me say not you know they like now oppress you. If you see the end be varié. Mega penat you say you cook, you say for believe. End be varié, better style no be. Now the retail key for us today. So work is still ongoing. The carpenters will soon be done and I'll take you in there. From here we'll be moving to Upper Hour to go and give the family the food items. Good, so God bless all of you. We are getting all your support. Oh, Princess Ifeanyi, welcome, man. You batting now, Chena Willie still the user profile. You want to trust that woman, Chena Willie.
41.
Favor Robosa, God bless you, man. Your support make brain. Thank you. All of you now, if not been General Evis, God bless you, sir. I know say you don't work, you watch on later. You'll be better, man. But I'll still drink water. Before my subscription end, I want to do another one. They don't give me one. They don't give me one. My husband. Good evening, Baba. I'm the one that brought 10 bags. I spent 3 days ago. God bless you. Please enter amount. 2K, we do more use 2K start. So God bless all of you for your support. God
Go
bless
bring me
you.
water.
Lady Nusa, thank you, man. Thank your sister for me.
Go bring me
A
cold
better
water.
woman. Do you know she added 50K this afternoon? I told her that I got the bag of rice. There is better, they don't increase them because the luckily go street. Say make them not the sell it, give her next 1 week. The ones they have, they just inflated the price immediately. Bag of beans, they just increase the price. You know, your sister just had a gist to her. Next thing she said, 550K would be cool. Imagine, she just transferred it. Let me thank her on a good woman. God bless her for all the things she do for our people for being here. From UK, God bless her. They say part of the change face. A part face not the bright. If you know what they do for you, a part face too bright now.
Yes, exactly.
They say part of the part face don't bright.
Obey me. We don't know. We don't know.
Vicky Osas, we don't know.
Osas. Okpe okin.
Isha woku na hin. A man don't be asking you do with me. A part will be asking. God bless you. Win best. Ave lele. You do be uche na really. You do. Ade John, thanks. I appreciate all your comment. This means a lot to me. Thank all of you, all of you. Mr. Sarodion. Mr. Sarodion. Robusa. Mr. Sarodion, I bet put the full name, though. No. Well, have you know all your documentation? Okay, Mr. Sardion. If I work piano.
Okay, Nika go about.
No way, if I face not bright.
Usadion who?
Usadion, man, but someone.
Okay, in your good manner.
Okay, man.
Sadion call.
If I were facing your bright, you know.
Bright call. Usade by way of Sadion. Osabezu wo dio ne ma we. Osazo ma dio mi logo ma. Imi ge logo we.
Special thanks go to Precious Omorugbe Imusi. Precious Omorugbe Imusi. God bless you. We came here and we met 10 bags of cement. You were the one that brought it. God bless you.
10 of your 10 bags is good.
Yes.
We say Where say
We came here, we made it 10 bucks outside there.
what away aku. Ede wa gbona be 10 bucks.
God bless you. We acknowledge that.
Okpani we go.
Thank you.
Paris. Paris.
As long as everything are for IPA, we're okay.
Koje. Maye koje. Moga to tako.
So we're here. Our account number is pinned to this comment section. Please reach us for support and let's do the needful. I better give me a copy of water.
I won't make water anywhere.
Yeah, 12 bag of
10, 18 now we are robot. One of us 2.5 why.
And the demand, Mrs. Adesuwa Ogiro.
No press.
So we're trying to subscribe. Mamu Resa. We're trying to subscribe so that we don't go off network. You get it? So please let's be patient. It's only 1 year by data.
Destiny.
I'm gonna pass them, no problem. I hear.
Destiny. Ide. Princess. Call me Destiny and Princess.
If you are in Rome, you behave like a Roman. God bless all of you. If I see my go down, I go to do subscription. I'll post this. I don't need to do it like that. So we're there together. I'll take you. I think they're almost done, the carpenter. So that I can go for the food distribution and relax for the day. God bless you too. More past them. God bless you. Unstoppable Tina. Aside to mega pregnant at the sale of now. I do well for a power body. God bless all of you.
I may not give back out for anybody. Oh, no,
God bless all of you for your support. We appreciate you. Collins Imudia Foundation is proud to be associated with all of you. Let's see if we can recharge. Good afternoon. I'm sending your messages. God bless you, BDFE. God bless you. Okay, I think we're good. You need to subscribe now so we can talk from now till tomorrow. And so, Pa, we deal with it, you not see the happen.
You're a wonderful man.
And so, Pa, Saloba, man.
No, but I don't know. I had the Imudia Foundation.
I tell you, Pano, wear a cap. But wear a cap, I mean, it's a cap. We brand the we brand the pass and support Collins.
And I get the shirt too. I never wear
it. I get the shirts too. Whatever we wear, I get the shit. They pan our team now. Collins Imudia Foundation team. A baseball cap will give a pie, like Jay-Z. You know, not too good. If you do a receipt, yeah, you man. Yeah, one make baby na way. Yeah, it don't man here now. Oh, na my queen. Yeah, one more boy. Yeah, more boy. You must see the handle. Yeah, man, make it turn. Yeah, way. It ties. I think we have to take a little walk. You know, if I wants to show people around and what we're doing, showing them around what we're doing. The window. They're almost done. See, we're almost done. In fact, we are done safe with the PVC. Very nice work. Hey, Alpha. Thank you. The video is taking people around to show them. Well done.
No, they are kind of.
Talk are we going to go far? God bless you who sent money for a par for two months treatment. A par got it yesterday. General Elvis, God bless you. Mama, you will send money to a par yesterday for 2 months treatment. God bless you. A par say thank you.
Sister,
We are done.
Sister, una when I wear una the 2 months ago. It's one 2 hours.
So,
You know, boy, over do no then. Open kind of Yahweh say, open Yahweh say, so, and you are here bow. Or more you were, or more was I more well.
so,
No matter say, Ragmo Agakawa, any time I didn't cow or boy, you are talking about talk well. Away, the Yata wow, where the Europe I go away, I hear okay, another 40,000. You know that because not getting ready.
Mami. Yes, okay, when you mega pronounce. You not say part remember. He said the 10,000 we say you give him every month. Where do you mega pronounce? He pass say he never forget to.
Thank you.
Once you bring him, we can't give it pa. Might even yere, my yere. It's okay away. Hello.
I'm not bad. Mammy, man, I'm taking a return. You know, do you the way I'm a lesser zero or what one? Or what one those says, you know, what a boy was a zero or climb.
So work is still ongoing here. You know, so everybody's still here. God bless all of you. PVC people were finishing now. What's about where you making it? Okay, you pass well. Hey now, you pass well. Oh, Mama, Oga, you pay why? How you do like that? Pay well no. So now, please don't call me now, please, so that we can show people transparently how far we're going. You get so. Let's go outside and do the needful. I think they are almost done. The PVC. The PVC, we are done with the parlor PVC. All right, we are done. And we are done with the past room PVC. You know, so thank God. The only place remaining, give me my phone, is this place. So we want to lay here. These are the blocks we molded yesterday. 300 blocks. Juliet Isaac, welcome. Don't reach us from work. I've used to do work, sir. I shot the General Elvis break, don't finish, but don't run go. Now, those are the 300 blocks we molded yesterday. God bless all of you who supported us. Cement, blocks, money for sand. God bless all of you. For transparency's sake, we are bringing you to the forefront. We'll be hitting the other part of town very soon. You know, so we'll be hitting our power just now. We will. The house will be painted later. The brother have volunteered to paint the house when we get to that stage. We must just plaster first. Yeah. No, I don't get that pit. I don't get that business. They dig it 10 feet where they dig the soccer. Don Robert, my son, I be your brother now. You don't know how it start. So we have to still move to go and do other things, and then my car is bad now. I fear for tomorrow, say for if it come out, because I have to go and repair my car tomorrow morning. Maybe know what the thyroid. Thyroid. This is part of it.
Okay.
Once I know where the but the funniest part is that I wear the show it in here, pull it tire now. They'll just lose and they'll drunk or more finish.
I see here with your video.
Put another one.
I see here.
Yeah, lose it and I lose it the whole. You see what I will pass? I mean, I want Dimieva. Show you now, allow where the wherever or anything, man.
Just look for your rain or follow.
Rain not fall now.
But we reach area.
Rain fall for 9.
For one side.
Or that is nothing. In the last we may block now. You know why?
Ben Joshua, welcome. Wait, Don Jesus. Don Jesus, who is when winner there? So we're almost going to be done here, and then what are we owing? And again, I didn't advance in. Not the bank account number, one of these guys no dig. Yeah, I only have to hear me.
We are see it too. Are they right?
That yellow brother is good.
We are good color. The brother no digging it
I
here.
have my battle from that place. Whenever you this can battle, they just give me. Paul Usagi, hi. Vico Sass, no Allah. God bless all of you now. The GCFRO of the whole federation. Comrade Yusuf Bukari, my team. But you have abandoned the team. It is well from wherever you are watching us from. You understand? It is well. Unstoppable Tina, you are going back to work next 2 months. Between now and the next 2 months, we'll do together. Ben Joshua, I should add you. Oh, please, all of you should go and just Google on Facebook, just Google Collins Imudia Foundation. Like our page. That's where we'll be coming live from soonest. You get just like our page. We've had about more than, I can't even accept friend request again. I'm trying to say I can delete some dormant contacts so I can accept fresh ones. So please don't be angry when you see that I don't accept requests on time. It's not as if I don't want to. No, please, if you wait for a while and you want me to accept a request, purposely, maybe because you want to support, and then you have not been able to accept your request, please just send me a message on the messenger. Bro, I want to accept my request, and I'll just go and accept it. God bless you. If I can. Comrade Yusuf Bukari, the GCFRO of the Full Federation. You say you are greeting us specially for the revolutionary struggle. Stop greeting us and be part of this struggle. You were part of this struggle till you backslide. There are some friends that I don't talk to again. You understand? There are some friends, there are reviews. There are some friends on my list that we don't talk again for a very long time. Some don't even forget their Facebook. So those are the ones I call dormant account. I have to remove them so that I can accept relevant people. You understand? Those people now, most of them don't remember their password. They are not doing Facebook again. A lot don't lose their phone. Just go to your WhatsApp, just type Collins Imudia Foundation. You will see us, click follow. There's a place that says follow, just click it, follow us. From there we'll be coming live. So that people will not say, we'll be the same before, we don't say, they come out again. No, it's just that you won't be getting notification. But when you are with us on that foundational page now, our page, or the Imudia Foundation page, to be good. Then when we go live, you'll give you notification, you'll come to see everything to you, put one for joy. You can buy popcorn, buy cool, get relaxed. Let's show you how we work. What's your name, my friend?
Who are you?
30, 66,
What are you doing?
96,
90.
What's your phone number?
The road is open for you. Phone number?
May I give my real phone number?
Yeah, your own real phone number. I'll call you now.
Okay. 081.
For that one, yeah.
50.
96. Wait one, you correct? Give your name.
My name. Okay, for the number.
Your own real name. What do they call you? Sorry, but I don't say na person account with this. Exactly. Me no. Say na person account not be your own. But I name where the account with this. I'll transfer 10K this evening. Yeah. So by tomorrow I don't dig you. No. The set come.
Okay.
So by the time you finish the work, I'll give you the balance. Yeah. But when we finish that pound, that order my sister will say make I can go do their own. I'll carry you. We'll go there. When we go there, you see, and they already dig the hole before. See, now you just set and come out. If you have to buy one trip of sand,
after 12
buy 10 bags of cement, you offer most cement, more block. You get once you just move the block finish, yeah. We start on that one. Not be charity. That one I help. I call it a media contractor group. Those one. When I told me to contractor, but the other mama, we say I'll go roof house for that upper side. No wala. Epa.
The speaker.
Also, I had a position for the contractor part. So for the
why am I going to make no account? I
I'm here now, so. That's why I'll get to you. I'll send them to you. Go back now. So I think that should be that. The only thing remaining now, these guys. These two guys. See what enough people let me do. I'll stop using him. I don't need them before. Stop using him. And I don't get physical cash. I don't get cash for him. Call the guy for me. Call one of the phone. You might see what I can transfer their money from your account. World Rap Power. God bless you, bro. Better man. That's my general one side. Amen to all your prayers for Ipa. God bless you all. If you have not sent money to our foundation, we love you. It's not by sending money that we love you. No. We love you for viewing and sharing our post. We know all of you. Some of you have money in mind that I don't get money now, just do one. God will surprise you. Because you are seeing your heart that you want to give, but presently you don't have. So God bless you. Call it Imudia Foundation. We love you. We pray for all of you daily. If you get to spend. You don't know. So, you cannot say because you have not donated to Collins Imudia Foundation, we will not like you. We will not mention your name. No. God's time was one love too, bro. One love. Helen Omarem, one love. I mentioned these people's name. They've not supported 1 naira before. I love you people. Love those. Thank you for watching us at all. Thank you. It's enough. Please share our video. It's worth more than money. You might not have money, you get, but you just share it. Somebody among your list will just sit and say, I want to key into it. You have automatically supported. So please share. Share. God bless you. We'll be leaving a person, so that we'll go and attend to the other people at Upper. I'm still going to Ogiso, so we'll get long workout today. You have data, just deal with me. So far the coins have come for, I think our sister sent I don't know how much you sent for that year. So I should give her let me see. I used to put them down.
Last 10 years ago.
I don't mention any. I don't mention any. I will give that year 7,000 for Gisu. God bless you. Juliet Isaac, thank you for the money you dashed me today. Thank you. I appreciate her. Thank you. So as you dash me money, I would thank you. But when I say I mention her name, some of you know. Let me not even mention her name. But I won't forget to appreciate my brother from Japan, Oz, Osaze Akyombari. Those are my squad. God bless you. Massive support all of them, they give all of them. Mega Prenan, Lady Nusa, General Elvis, Adaeki, Unstoppable Tina, Tina Small, Bossed Day, Sherifat, all of you. Not too many. How many names I want to mention? Vivian, let them see. Maureen Francis, Adesu Auguro, not too plenty. I call a cram name, like say we are in secondary school. Those who in school, the cram name, state and capital, primary school. And now I call the join again at my old age. Not the reason say I be fine boy. Not the reason I say man, I be fine boy. I don't need you to tell me. God bless you. I fine because of you. You understand? If not be Una, I don't want it doing. You can't do it without you. I don't love money because it's doing. You understand? So we have to move to. Why do you work here? Come, inside my car, there's bottle water. Bring them for me. Quick. Yeah? Osaru me edit. God bless you. Many of the things I don't mention, I don't mention. If I'll mention your name. Osaru me edit. God bless you so much. God bless you. No be out. I know they love some, leave some. I beg. And I beg. Megan pronounce. I'm appealing to you. That small boy with fire burn. With fire burn. You don't know. Hey. That small boy fire burn, man. Give me the link. Somebody say specialist. I don't know if not true. I know they forget something. I want to make I go see that small boy. The 20K way my brother Ian Davis say make I take to give away. He permitted me to dash the boy. So let me go and give him. Hey, how many? So God bless you. I beg mega penny not forget. Let me find out here. I beg, I remind you. I here for Giso. My sister, Uchena Willie, sent 5,000. Say make I add, go give that year for Giso. So that means I'm giving that year for Giso 12K. And our way just now we gotta go out. We'll stop more use POS so that we'll get all their money. Done okay. Done Imade, thank you. God bless you. Faith Agbons, I see all of you message for that WhatsApp group. Now you read the temple say Collins is live. No wahala. Okay, mega penant, please call me in the evening. Thank you. Unstoppable thing. I mean, why is love kill you? No worry. My sister, my friend, Hope Osaretin, the task squad. Now you be the beginning. I always want to join the beginning of this foundation. I know you, better heart. You'll still draw your leg come on very soon because you support you. Don't try. Once you do, not go. I'm the reason you work out. So God bless you, man. I better open the cars down. Open the door of this cars down so that. Yeah. I better open the car down. General Elvis, better family. Better family, all your people. Better family, General Elvis. We reach Matthew. We reach Hope. You. All of them are good. Thank you. Osarume edit. He said we get talk. Okay. After the live video in the evening, just call me for WhatsApp. More gist, yeah? Funny enough, most of my supporters are not even on Facebook. They all do YouTube. Their own don't announce us. We'll be happy. God bless all of you. I want you to know I appreciate all the calls I get from YouTube via Daniyaji YouTube page. God bless you. Daniyaji, thank you. You say you don't get money to support me, but you want to promote us. Thank you. Daniyaji YouTube, thank you for your support. I appreciate you. You are my brother, my friend. I just want you to know that I appreciate you. All you are doing for us on YouTube. Thank you. We are building our own YouTube. Yeah, but in the meantime, Daniyaji YouTube, thank you. God bless you. Unstoppable thing, I say you're coming tomorrow. Okay, no wahala, we'll get talk. Today, see plenty, sir. And we'll talk, no wahala. I trust you now, better. I don't know my squad. Juliet Isaac, thank you for the money you dashed me today. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. So we want to leave here to that upper hour. Where the carpenter guy? Hey, carpenter. You went not here worry. Hey, I be your brother. Which of you two get bank account? Come now, come. So I just transfer to them and leave. I get that place so I want to go for carry on. I don't even listen how you can join and work. You don't work with me for a while now. Not be who got a roof that years. I know you now. Now better guy now. Now save your own account number. Which bank? UBA. That's my bank, UBA. Call on. Sarume edit. Okay, no wala. Ade John, thanks for your prayer. Stainless Ken, my squad. Way back, Ebelebo, Jamila Road. God bless you, bro. My brother from one side. Amen, Ben Joshua. No wala. Once this lockdown is over, I know. All of you where the house, I know some I get good man. I see whenever yours they come out. I put on the come out. Now wala. Yeah. You understand? So I appreciate all of you now. Yes, I appreciate all of you now.
50.
Okay.
239. 1.
What will be your name?
Romanus.
Arrow for Romanus. O for Omanus. M for Manus. A for Anus. N for Nus. U for Us. S for S. I go there. I don't know keep us in love. Joyce Amorogbe, thank you. God bless you, man. The sight all of you now. Princess Ifeanyi, thank you. God bless you. Give me your phone number. But yeah, I think we transfer you now. You be in everything now. Oh, okay, need transfer your way. Oh yeah, tell me. So God bless all of you. I'm seeing you. Oh, Toile, Epawo. We can pray for someone. Larry, I don't know women near no team no details in my arena. Yes, you want me over there? Yes, yeah, my man. I want to show you the ties you bought just now, bro.
My son,
Yeah, Sarabo Bason.
You know, Katuma, but in my camera. Sunoba Bason.
Sarabo Bason.
Sarabo Bason. Oh, you may well say with you. It has no degome, Musegbe. Oh, no man, no man, I give him. I give him me down here. A bibolos are me, a bibolos are me tutu. A bewaggy me, a bogey. You go give away, if Nanya go give away. Where I will say, Oboga will say, Eboga will say, Imanekuga will say, you see when I went, Ogonoka came, Alarino. I do really bow. Oh no, my second year. Wa mommy me zebe se no women a sega bi well that boy many time na e dey ni career so dey yo oba talk pe
bro. Sarabo, God bless you, bro, for your trust. You trust us. You committed 93k to us yesterday for the time. Thank you, all of you who've been supporting us. We've done the PVC for the purpose of those just coming. We've done the PVC of the parlor and the bedroom. As you can see, perfect PVC, you know. So this beautiful PVC you are seeing goes along with the tiles. Bro, see the tiles? It's 29 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Got 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and a single one. So those are the tiles, and these beautiful tiles go with the PVC. Understand? So God bless you all. Usarabo Obaswan, God bless you. The PVC and the tiles go along with the beautiful door bought for us by IBCY. God bless you. So you see, we get style, we'll give you pasta. Then so we're just remaining. This place is what's remaining. This veranda, we want to put PVC here too, so that it will be locked. You know, so I do the account number, man. I can transfer for him. So, bro, we appreciate you. God bless you. Sarabo Obason, God bless you. The Tyler is here, but it's not your time for him.
20.
92.
92. 59.
Yes.
36, 60.
Deni Noro.
Afuwa.
Afuwa. Phone number 1. My phone number 1, so I don't need your phone number. So you have transfer 8K. Whatever. Also, we have daily pay. No? What's that?
8K.
Oga, it's a daily pay.
Yeah, go on.
So, exactly. Remember, Ellis, how many people did you bring, Epa? Who know Mama Viore on the way PVC? Not be 2 people come here.
Come. No, don't carry go.
No, no, I already for Mama Viore for the work.
How many?
Me and Fish.
I come. How many people?
PVC.
How many people you do for a day job for PVC? One.
Only you.
Talk to them.
Good. Then one carpenter for 1 room. So what you can be there? If you continue like this, I know they use you work.
PVC job.
One bundle and
Listen,
If you continue like this, I know they use you work.
2 bundles for that room.
see, listen. My brother.
4 bundles and 6 pieces.
My brother, see, listen. PVC job.
So
2 room.
I think we're almost done. I have to. So we're leaving here. I think the guys have done far with the soccer weight digging. And so God bless them. Hopefully they'll finish it tomorrow. So Gaman, in the evening I'll send your money for you. Yeah? Because they use the phone, they do live video now. Yeah? And they use the phone, they do live video, so I don't feel often to transfer. Now they tell you in advance. I collect your account number. In the evening, I don't end this live video, I'll send your money to you. I don't get cash for hand. Now advance I won't give you now. I won't give you 10,000 naira advance. When you finish the work, I'll give you balance. But because I don't get cash for hand, I will transfer to your account this evening. Maybe you go withdraw, collect that 10K first. Tomorrow, yeah? You want to do POS for this area now? For where? You have the coolest. Now road that side now. Might transfer for you, no worry. Maybe you go use POS. Let's go. Let's go. Boss, me boss. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Continue one bundle and 4 pieces.
We are not insulting men here now. I'm using you to work. When you
He's taking granted of me.
You cannot take advantage of you. Listen to me. Listen to me. I can't
my personal one.
I use you for work. I'm going to use you for more jobs. You know now. Why you going to? Okay, on the server. On the server, you have transfer 9,000 to 445. Yeah. Shut up. Shut up. You get very low. Shut up. You don't insult a crew, man. No worry. You ain't going to wear the crew.
The truth. Good or bad, we want to people ya do for you are very oh I mean we o ba mo kan kede o ya ni for what everywhere behave is that the way you behave?
Don't do that again. I didn't see
I don't like that in my life.
I brought you to come and work. If you have any problem with anybody, you come and meet me now.
I don't like that. I don't like it. Don't no money
hey, go back to work. Go back to work now. Go back to work. It's okay. Alice,
I don't like the way
you want So it happens on the site where you know say when you know say it be like that. So Omotola Fure, I don't go to roadside to pick workers, man. I am working with my team. These carpenters are my team. I've been using them to do different charity work. They know my house. They come to eat in my room. So even if I don't give them cash here, they know their money is safe. Thank you. You know, so, but for the purpose of our newcomers, God bless all of you for coming in. God bless you. I'm seeing all of you. So, but let's leave here now. I think we're leaving at 32. Epa, let me say it. Let's cool down temper. Madam, let's calm down. Go back to work. 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 Ellis, don't do like that. Epa, it will not end the video.
Oh, he's talking to me.
Yes, it will not end the video. I will end the issue here now, so that there will be no more noise. Now, besides, you know, I'm a quarter, so man, understand. I'm happy you, as an elderly man, you were able to warn him with the way he came to address this man. You didn't like it, and he has taken his own lesson.
All right, whether wrong or right.
Yes. So even if we don't settle it here, my back be because he knows my place. He will come. Hey, at least go see gist. One understand, so issue. Yeah, so Egbe wa kin na mi asin ya yi won. O kan na. Mo eyan. O wetin awa pa na. Amen. No, man. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's go to Opawa to meet the other lady. God bless you. Thank you for your time and patience. We're still here. We're not going on live so that you see how we do.
I hope say you don't see the work where they go on for Eritio house. I beg the thing where you go do for us now to help us share this video. Make it go far so that the people will still get mind to take support, make this work for finish. Make them still give the support where they will feel give. And if you get anything where you want talk, Collins Imudia Foundation number, he did this video, you dey see am for this video. You fit call am. If you get anything where you want, make you discuss with am. You fit call am, make you discuss am with am. And if na comment section now you want make you go comment there. Put am for comment section. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.